Hi, this is Master Jason and welcome to Mathematics for Young Achievers with Merit Education Center. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to solve combined operations of fractions. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Let's review the steps in solving combined operations of fractions. Can you read it with me? Step number 1. Work out the calculations within the brackets. Step number 2. Perform the multiplication or division from left to right in the problem. Step number 3. Perform the addition or subtraction from left to right in the problem. Good job! This time, let's explore some problems. Are you ready? Example: simplify 2 over 7 plus 3 over 14 minus 10 over 21. Let's copy the problem. Notice that we cannot add or subtract these fractions because they don't have the same denominator. We have 7, 14, and 21. To add or subtract these fractions, we need to make their denominator the same. To do that, we take their LCM as their common denominator. The LCM of 7, 14, and 21 is 42. Let's multiply the first fraction by 6, the second fraction by 3, the third fraction by 2, so that we can make the denominator the same. So we have the answer for the first fraction. We have 12 over 42. What do you think is the answer for the second fraction? Excellent! We have 9 over 42. How about our third fraction? Good job! We have 20 over 42. In this problem, we have positive and negative operations. So we need to work out this from left to right. Let's perform the addition first. We have 12 over 42 plus 9 over 42. What do you think is the answer? Fabulous! We have 21 over 42. Next is to subtract 20 over 42. Let's perform the subtraction. Can you guess what's the answer? Great thinking! We have 1 over 42. Since we cannot simplify it any further, 1 over 42, then this is our final answer. Did you get it? Good job! Let's learn another one. Here's another example. 1 over 2 plus 4 over 5 times 5 over 3. In this example, we have addition and multiplication. In this case, we must perform the multiplication first. 4 over 5 times 5 over 3. So we have 1 over 2 plus, what do you think is the answer? That's correct. We have 20 over 15. Now, let's make their denominator the same. 2 and 15. We need to take their LCM as their common denominator. The LCM of 2 and 15 is 30. Let's multiply the first fraction by 15, the second fraction by 2, What do you think is the answer? We have 15 over 30 plus 40 over 30. Next, perform the addition. What do you think is the answer? Excellent! We have 55 over 30. 55 over 30 are divisible by 5. What do you think is the answer? Great thinking! We have 11 over 6. Since 11 over 6 can be simplified any further, what do you think is the final answer? Good job! We have 1 and 5 over 6. Did you get it? Excellent! Do you want to learn more? Let's take a look at another example. Here's another example. Simplify 1 and 1 over 8 minus 3 over 4 divided by 1 and 2 over 7. In this example, what do you think is our first step? Great thinking! We need to write mixed number as improper fraction. In this example, we have two mixed numbers here, 1 and 1 over 8 and 1 and 2 over 7. Let's convert 1 and 1 over 8 as improper fraction. To do that, multiply 1 and 8, then add the numerator 1. Write your answer as numerator and copy the denominator 8. What do you think is the answer? That's correct. We have 9 over 8. Copy the second fraction, minus 3 over 4. Next is to convert 1 and 2 over 7 as improper fraction. To do that, multiply 1 and 7, then add the numerator 2. Can you guess what's the answer? Excellent! We have 9 over 7. In this case, we have subtraction and division. We must perform the division first. 3 over 4 divided by 9 over 7. Let's copy 9 over 8. Now, let's perform the 3 steps. Keep the first fraction the same, 3 over 4. Change the division sign to multiplication sign. Then flip the second fraction to get the reciprocal. We have 7 over 9. Do you follow? Are you still learning? Now, let's cancel out common factors in the numerator and denominator. 9 and 3 have common factors. 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. Copy 9 over 8. Next, 1 times 7 is equal to 7. 4 times 3 is equal to 12. So we subtract 7 over 12. Now, we cannot perform or we cannot subtract these two fractions because they don't have the same denominator. We have 8 and 12. The LCM of 8 and 12 is equal to 24. Let's multiply the first fraction by 3, the second fraction by 2. What do you think is the answer? 9 times 3 and 8 times 3. That's correct. We have 27 over 24. How about 7 times 2 and 12 times 2? Excellent. We have 14 over 24. Now, we can subtract these two fractions. What do you think is the answer? Good job! We have 13 over 24. 13 over 24 cannot be simplified any further. Therefore, this is our final answer. You did great! And you deserve a hug. Alright, that's all for this video. Happy learning, student! See you next time!